Darna. Duro. Present. Okay, thank you. Yay! Shamdan, why are you late?
There is a lot of traffic in the road, man. I'm sorry.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are gonna learn about narrative text. Also, we're gonna play role play. Yay! But before that, I see that you are not really focused in my lesson. So I want for you to do ice breaking first. Okay. Pay attention, please.
Okay.
Shamdan, please sit beside Suni because the ice breaking will be in pairs. Okay. This ice breaking called clap, back, tap. Have you ever heard about that?
No.
Yes, I will give the example. Yes. Okay. Pay attention. Clap, clap, back, back, tap, tap. Please practice.
Clap, back, tap.
Yes.
Back.
And you have to do it in pairs. Don't you have any pairs? You can come with me. You can come with me.
Back, back,
Attention. Clap, back, tap. Okay? Like this.
Clap.
Clap, clap, back, back, tap, tap. Clap, back, clap. Perfect. Clap, clap, back, tap. Yeah.
Okay,
Clap, clap, back, back, clap, clap, tap, tap, clap, back, clap, tap, clap, clap, back, tap. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, back, back, clap, clap, back, back, clap, back, 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 clap, clap, Have you practiced, guys? So let's back to the material. What we gonna learn today? Narrative. I'm going to write on the whiteboard. So I will give you some cards. It's called flashcard. And in the flashcard there are our materials today. Okay. Let's start to the definition. Yeah. Where is your card?
This is.
Okay. Nice. Oh, you can share. You can share your. Okay. Are you coming late?
I forgot about my meal, man. Sorry.
Okay. Next time don't be late, yeah. The first one is definition.
Definition.
Who wants to read the definition?
Me.
Okay, Nabila.
Narrative text is a text that responds and reveals whether real or fictional. Apa nih bacanya Miss?
Fictional. Sorry,
Sequential.
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 Usually.
Usually.
Reader.
Reader.
Reader. What is the meaning of recounts event, whether real or fictional? Jadi naratif teks ini artinya menceritakan sebuah peristiwa berdasarkan kejadian nyata ataupun fiksi. And then sequential manner. Do you know what is the meaning of sequential manner? Ya, jadi naratif teks ini disampaikan secara berurutan. And the next card. What is the next card?
Konflik Kejadian fakta.
The main purpose of narrative text is to entertain the readers of original truth and enacting storyline to inform on convey a moralism, for example, about kindness, the consequence of breaking the rules or courage through conflict and its resolution.
Okay. Mandi, repeat after me. Engaging.
Engaging,
Kindness.
kindness,
Consequences.
consequences,
Courage.
courage,
True.
true,
True.
true,
True.
true,
Yes. Next is the generic structures. There are three generic structures. The first is orientation, complication, and resolution. Okay. The orientation. The orientation is opening section that serves to introduce who, where, when. What is the meaning of who here? The where?
The setting.
And when?
The time.
Nice. And then the complication. Complication or problem is the section that contains the main problem or the wrong faced by the characters. In this section, the conflict escalates building towards the climax of the story. For example, the character faces danger, relationship between character break down, or the character breaks the rules, creating a tense situation. Jadi di bagian complication ini menjadi bagian yang sangat krusial untuk naratif teks. Karena hal ini adalah hal yang bisa membuat naratif teks itu sendiri menjadi lebih menarik bagi pembaca. Lewat masalah-masalah yang dialami oleh karakter. The next is resolution, please, Nadifa. Yes, me.
Resolution. The resolution is the part that shows how the conflict is resolved. The conflict is resolved, the characters learn a lesson, or things return to normal. Some studies suggest that the resolution can be positive, neutral, or negative, depending on the moral message intended to be conveyed.
Nadifa, repeat after me.
Yes, yes.
Conveyed.
Conveyed.
Okay, nice. Jadi resolution ini adalah bagian paling terakhir. What are you talking about in my class?
I asked Aji.
Okay, please come here. Everyone bring me this class. Jadi resolution itu tadi isinya bagaimana Mbak Nabila?
Resolution itu isinya tentang the conflict is resolved, the characters learn a lesson, or things return to normal.
Ending dari resolution
biasanya cerita itu happy ending sama sad ending.
Gantung.
Apakah ada cerita berlanjut?
Ya. Di resolution ini, the character sudah bisa mengenali masalah yang dia dapat ya. Dan sudah belajar dari kesalahan dia. Nah, selanjutnya ada card language features. Ada apa aja di language features ini? Simple, passive, and then adverb of time. One is adjective, noun phrase. Do you know what simple past tense? Yes. Simple past tense itu di future, di masa depan, masa kini, masa lalu. Dengan apa? And then adverb of time. What is the meaning of adverb of time? Dalam paragraf teks seperti apa? And there is adjective. Please, Syahdan, give me example of adjective. Beautiful. Syahdan.
Beautiful terus masa. Lazy.
Okay. And the next is noun phrase. Jadi noun phrase ini adalah kumpulan noun kumpulan yang berbentuk dari noun. Contohnya apa, Mbak Ain? A beautiful princess. Okay.
Lazy prince.
Is there any question, guys? No. The next activities I will divide you by 3 groups.
Okay.
This one is group 1, group 2, group 3. Please, Cindiana, become group 2. Kayaknya group 1 kebanyakan ya?
Iya.
Gini aja deh. Grup 1, grup 2, grup 3.
Iya, benar-benar.
Okay, do you get it, guys? Oke, di sini kita tujuannya. Oke. Nah, di sini Miss akan seperti yang bicarakan tadi di awal pembelajaran, kita akan bermain role play. Grup 1 ini, grup 2 seperti biasa. Grup 3 Oke, silakan kalian grup 1 dapat apa, cerita apa? Grup 2 dapat cerita apa? Grup 3 program. Nah, di sini kalian diskusikan ya. Siapa Pay attention, please.
Once upon a time, Bandung berdosa dan Tumedi Roro Cungkrem. Will you marry me? Roro Cungkrem. Nyemprot. No, I don't want to. Why you don't want to marry? Because I don't. Then sikit impossible to. Hah? Build 1,000 temples in one night. Okay, I will build a 1,000 temples. Oh yeah. Bandung accepted the travel and workers to help but not help to despite it so the goal to visit the temple as possible before crowd.
You trick me. I curse you, Roro. Emang aku udah gini-gini. Oh.
Okay. Done? Then give applause for group. Great. Oke, mari kita identifikasi dulu ya dari alur ceritanya. Apakah ada yang janggal dari alur ceritanya?
Janggalnya cuma satu tiba-tiba dilamar gitu.
Oh, gitu. Ya, ya jelas. Jika kita perhatikan tadi, group 2, is there any something wrong?
No.
Please pay attention ya.
Okay.
Nah, jadi ada alur cerita yang terlewat yaitu ayo
Tapi tadi aku udah kokok.
Nah, itu baru Roro jadi patung. Seharusnya sebelum Roro jadi patung. Nah, selanjutnya kita langsung saja identifikasi mana bagian complication. Complication, orientation.
Orientation once upon a time, Bandung Bondowoso want to marry Roro Jonggrang.
Okay, nice. And then the complication.
You trick me. Bandung discovered the trick and become angry.
Ya, what is that?
You trick me.
The complication ya. Ya, solusinya.
When Roro saw that Bandung was almost settled for, she become worried. Wah, kebalik nih kitanya.
Seharusnya bagaimana?
Harusnya itu resolusinya Bandung discover the trick and become angry.
And then complication-nya seharusnya bagaimana?
When Roro saw that Bandung was successful itu yang ya.
Nah, please group 1 give maybe suggestion or something. Any comments to the group 3?
Itu doang.
Ya kan balik-balik nih.
Tapi kan penampilan kita hebat.
Ya, fantastic penampilan. Give a applause for group 3. Next is group
Ya, maju saja. Bagedit. Karakter dari Bagedit. Once upon a time, there lived a rich woman named Nyai Bagedit. Although she was rich, she never helped poor people. One day, an old beggar came for her house. Once upon a time, there lived a rich woman named Nyai Bagedit. Nyai sold of jewelry and exported. Although she was rich, she never helped poor people. Villagers asked for help, Nyai refused. Villager minta tolong One day, an old beggar came to her house. Beggar slowly walked toward Nyai. Please give me some food. Nyai Bagedit became angry. The beggar was sad and warned her. You should be kind to other people. You should be kind to other people. But Nyai Bagedit ignored the warning. Nyai laughed proudly. Soon, an earthquake happened and her house disappeared beneath the ground. Earthquake. Angin puting beliung. Gempa. And everyone went soft.
Messi ini nggak buat kayaknya.
The area turned into lake comes into Bagedit. Please pause. Please. Please over. Just wait. Enough, miss.
Okay, give a round for group 2. I will give any comments to the group 2, yeah. Is the pronunciation of Vidura? Is it clear? No. Vidura just. So you have to say it clearly, Vidura. Okay?
I'm sorry. Yeah. Come.
Okay. And then please identification the structure. Which one is orientation?
Once upon time.
Okay. The complication
He became angry and mengusir.
and resolution.
Resolution jadi earthquake.
Okay. Good job. That's correct. Please group 3 give any comment to the group 3.
50-50 because Seuni like not make a text because Seuni nggak tahu itu ceritanya gimana, malah jadi angin puting beliung. Mau
Maybe Suni nggak tahu bahasa Indonesianya dari bahasa Inggris itu mungkin.
Enggak bisa, kan tadi toko yang pur apa mau?
Pay attention. Give applause for Grace. Pay attention please. The next session. Karena kalian semua sudah mempelajari cerita naratif masing-masing. Miss akan memberikan sebuah gambar yaitu help the character. Oke. Jadi kalian di sini akan mengidentifikasi kira-kira masalah apa sih yang ada di cerita yang kalian sampaikan tadi. Apa ya? Identifikasi problemnya. Setelah itu kalian cari solusinya. Kayak sesuatu yang seharusnya itu dilakukan dalam cerita itu, tetapi dari karakter tidak melakukannya. Oh, do you get it? Yes. Kasih waktu 2 menit cukup. Silahkan dikerjakan.
Di bis udah ini
Sudah.
Gila.
Semua nih. Semua. Ya, semua.
Apa sebenarnya yang dia ngekek kayak ini?
Orang. Atau perwakilan saja.
Kasar.
Kasar. Udah terlanjur di depan nih.
Oke.
Cerita. Kenalin dulu mau cerita apa kali ini?
We are from group 1. The story is about Maling Kandang.
What is the problem?
Ini what should Maling do to respect her mother?
Nah, apa yang dilakukan Maling seharusnya untuk respect ke
Ibunya ya.
menurut pendapat kalian bagaimana?
Okay. We think that Maling Kandang should respect and recognize her mother. And then
He should remember that his mother supported him when he had nothing.
okay.
Malin should also apologize and spend time with his mother to show gratitude for her sacrifice.
Terima kasih nih. Jadi begitu ya anak-anak. Yang harus dilakukan Malin adalah dia harus respect his mother. Dia dengan tidak pura-pura lupa ya. Iya. Guys, what did you learn today? What is the most favorite folklore that you learned today?
Rara Jonggrang.
Cerita legendaris apa yang cerita yang kalian dapatkan itu adalah masing-masing favorit kalian ya? Iya. Is role play difficult? No. It's not text difficult? No. Nice. So thank you very much guys for your attention. I hope you can learn from the story and you can be confident to speak English. That's all from me. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.